This day will never be forgotten, the 6th of March 1957, when the Gold Coast successfully get our independence officially. Ghana is the name. We wish to proclaim we will be jolly and merry and gay, the 6th of March, Independence Day. Dr. Nkrumah went out his way to make the Gold Coast what it is today. He endeavored continually to bring us freedom and liberty. Ghana is the name. We wish to proclaim we will be jolly and merry and gay, the 6th of March, Independence Day. The doctor began as agitator, then he became popular leader. He continued to go further, and now he's Ghana's Prime Minister. Ghana is the name. We wish to proclaim we will be jolly and merry and gay, the 6th of March, Independence Day. The national flag is a lovely scene with beautiful colors, red, gold, and green, and the black star in the center representing the freedom of Africa. Ghana is the name. We wish to proclaim we will be jolly and merry and gay, the 6th of March, Independence Day. Congratulations from Haile Selassie was proudly received by everybody. He particularly comment on the doctor's move to self-government. Ghana is the name. We wish to proclaim we will be jolly and merry and gay, the 6th of March, Independence Day.